Your safety is important to us. Please pause for a moment to give your attention to the flight attendant's luggage and personal articles should be stowed either overhead or under the seat in front of you. To prepare for departure, close your tray table and place your seat in the upright position. For those customers seated in an overwing exit, window shades must remain open for taxi takeoff and landing. If you haven't already fastened your seatbelt, insert the metal fitting into the buckle and pull the strap so it's tight across your hips. To open the seatbelt, lift the top of the buckle. Keep your seatbelt fastened when the seatbelt sign is on, and just in case there's turbulence, keep it on whenever you are in your seat. U.S. law requires compliance with lighted and posted signs and crew instructions. All flights are non-smoking. This includes e-cigarettes. It's against the law to tamper with, disable, or destroy the lavatory smoke detectors. The safety card in your seat pocket explains the safety features of this aircraft, including the location and operation of exits and flotation devices. This aircraft has 2 exit doors in the front, 2 window exits over the wings, and 2 exit doors in the back. All exits have evacuation slides to use in an emergency. When directed to exit, jump onto the slide and move away from the aircraft. In a water evacuation, exit door slides in the front and back of the aircraft can be detached and used as rafts. All exits are clearly marked with signs and opening instructions. If needed, exit path lighting in the aisle will illuminate near the floor to guide you to an exit indicated by signs and lights. Keep in mind the closest exit may be behind you. In the event of emergency, leave all belongings and proceed to the closest usable exit. If needed, oxygen masks will drop from an overhead compartment. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and put the elastic band over your head. Pull the straps to tighten and breathe normally. Put on your mask before helping others. Oxygen is flowing even if the bag doesn't inflate. Your life vest is in a compartment under or next to your seat. Pull the strap to remove the life vest pouch. If equipped with an elastic harness, remove the harness before opening the pouch. Take the vest out as shown on the safety card and put it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, attach the buckle and tighten. Inflate your vest as you leave the airplane by pulling down on the red tab or by blowing into the red tube. Never inflate the vest inside the aircraft. All vests have a light that turns on automatically in the water. If necessary, an infant life vest will be distributed by a flight attendant. The safety card shows how to use it. We'll be dimming the cabin lights for takeoff. Individual reading light controls are overhead. Thank you for your attention. We hope you enjoy your flight this morning.
Ladies and gentlemen, as a reminder, we do need all electronic devices in airplane mode at this time. All electronic devices need to be in airplane mode at this time.
pleasure to welcome you to Philadelphia. The local time is 9 a.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off once we've come to the complete stop at the gate. And keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. In an effort to create more space between customers on board the aircraft, we will deplane a few rows at a time, starting from the front of the aircraft to the back. We ask everyone to remain seated until the row in front of you has cleared to prevent crowding in aisles. Take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items, like tablets and cell phones, to help keep your cabin clean. Please take any remaining waste items with you and place them in the trash bin as you exit the aircraft or inside the terminal. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful as items may have shifted during flight. At this time, you may now use your cell phones. American Airlines and our One World partners, thank you for flying with us today, and we hope to see you again on a future American Airlines flight. Flight attendants, verify.